Alright guys, today we're going to learn how to create desktop shortcuts of your favorite websites. We're going to get started by using Google Chrome. If you use Google Chrome as your main browser, this is how you do it. I'll show you the other browsers after this. Let's go to Google Chrome. And let's go to youtube.com. And here is YouTube. You want to go to the top right corner and click on the three dots. And in this list, click where it says cast, save, and share. And another menu comes up. And this option here, it says create shortcut. Click there. And you're going to be presented with an option to rename the shortcut. We're just going to leave it alone and click create. And now by default it creates it on your desktop. So if we close this out and close out the browser, here's our shortcut. If we click there, it should take us to the YouTube homepage. And there it is. So that's how you do it on Google Chrome. Feel free to go back and see the steps again if you need to. Now let's go do this with Firefox. So double click Firefox and we're going to visit facebook.com as an example. Here on Facebook, all you need to do is go up to the window and you want to move it aside so that you have room to see the desktop. And you want to go click on the lock and just drag that lock over on the desktop and let it go, and then it just creates a shortcut like that. You'll see also a logo on it. And we're gonna repeat this. Let's try another website with Instagram. Here's a lock up here. Just drag that lock over and there's our Instagram shortcut. So if we close out the browser and click on these links that we just created, these shortcuts, there's our Facebook, and let's click on Instagram. There it is. Very simple. And then the last browser that most people use is Microsoft Edge. So click there and you can make it full screen for now. You can visit another website like yahoo.com, for example. Let's save this one. So here again, go at the top and just move the window over to the right so you can see the desktop, and the lock is right up here. Just click that and drag it over. It'll create a shortcut for Yahoo. Just like that. Now, why I recommend Firefox and Chrome over Edge in this case is that they show the logos of the websites, whereas Edge doesn't show it. It just shows like a generic icon. And in my case, it's opening it up with Firefox anyway, because that's my default web browser, but don't worry about that, it still works. So if we're to close this out, double click on the last shortcut we created for Yahoo, it'll take us straight to yahoo.com. Okay, so I'm going to close this out, and here some of these shortcuts might have a long name. You can actually right click on it and you can go to rename. And you can just delete all of this extra content and just leave the name itself just to make it more clean. And then same thing with this one, right click, rename, and just backspace. You can name it whatever you want. We'll leave it like that so that's more clean looking. So whatever browser you use between Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, it's pretty straightforward. And it's good to have shortcuts of the website that you go to on a daily basis, and then with one click it'll take you straight there, just like that. All right, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or any thoughts, leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Also, if you need help with another issue, let me know and I'll make a video for you to follow. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Have a nice day.